Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have the essentials ready, watch firmware updated, and the companion app installed, so start now. Aim the watch display or external camera at the noisy QR code from 1/3 to 1/2 meter away and hold still. This reduces motion blur. Once done, crank brightness to maximum and enable any built-in torch or assistive illumination to increase contrast, because improved contrast helps decoders separate code from visual noise. Make sure the code fills most of the frame without cropping edges. Next, refine image quality to overcome noise. You should tap to focus or switch to manual focus if the app offers it, because autofocus can be misled by speckled patterns. Then capture multiple frames, 3 to 5, so the companion app can align and average them. This reduces random noise and restores missing modules. Once you have captures, toggle grayscale or boost contrast and sharpness in the app. These steps emphasize black-white boundaries and therefore increase the decoding algorithm's success rate. Finally, attempt decoding on the watch. If that fails, export the best high-resolution image to your phone because mobile decoders are more powerful. Try slight angle variations, 10 to 20 degrees, since some decoders correct perspective more reliably than flat shots, and once done, feed the output into the decoder. If you still can't read it, check the lens for smudges, add more directed light, and crop tightly to the QR area to remove background clutter. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves the toughest.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.